In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue that many Discord users face: the Discord app not opening. If you've been struggling with this problem, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, you should do is check if there are any updates available for Discord. Sometimes an outdated version can cause the apps to malfunction. Here's how you can check for updates. Open your web browser and go to Discord website, that is www.discord.com. Log into your account if you're not already logged in. Now look for any update notifications or prompts to download the latest version. If there is an update available, go ahead and download it. Once the update is complete, try opening Discord again. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. Restart your phone, computer to refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches that might be preventing Discord from opening. Now, clearing the cache can help resolve many issues with the app. To clear the Discord cache, next, what you need to do is go to your settings, then on apps and notification, find Discord and tap on storage and clear cache. And that's it. If you follow these steps, your Discord app should be working again. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.